camping. Bugs are bad already. Oh, there are cars. So, just got on the trail. That's where I'm heading. There's no cars parked or anywhere near the trail. There's a lot of cars going by the road right now. So let's see how this works.
It's gonna be fun going back.
Yep.
Never cold.
Wow! That's like fire paper.
Work, mate.
Jeez, that's hot.
You're gonna have a little dingeries in the outback. Oh, you gotta know that song. It's the most popular.
Huh. Yeah, you're right. It did light one time and then it went out. It was supposed to be like an instant, easy, light charcoal barbecue. Maybe that's why it was on sale for 50 cents.
Oh my god, man.
It literally said on the thing, it was a clearance item, 50 cents.
That is irresponsible of you.
Ah, crap. Okay, we'll figure this out. You shouldn't have your meat out in public.
Especially not that far. Oh shit, I didn't know they were that close.
See, now the grill's going finally.
Are you guys lost?
Can we just...
Snake Road's up that way.
So we can just go...
Yeah, you can go along this too, and it goes up. It's just a bit steeper right there. So you can see where the people...
I want to say your name, which is so brilliant. That sound of the stream will point you down.
Our charcoal barbecue is just, you know, dying off here because we're stealth camping. Don't really have a big fire or anything like that, so nice little charcoal. Oh, that thing worked out. It took a long time to heat up, though. And, well, we're gonna fall asleep to the sound of the river. I've got my trail camp set up about 1 kilometer that way. What did you do?
I just fell out.
Oh, you fell out?
Yeah.
Oh, I missed it.
Fuck. What a mess.
Well, here, you climb back in. I'll make sure you don't fall out this time.
Fuck off.
So I'm going to check the trail cam. Just like that, we were never here. I feel like now I just look like that homeless guy walking down the side of a road. But I saw a deer. Well, I saw the white of its tail. So, let's see. The bugs are really bad right now.